This is Kavya Rajgopal.
Hello, this is Professor Preeja Sridhar.
Okay, as a part of the teaching faculty, what is it that you like about ISBR?
This is a great question, madam. I would rather say that I am here from day one of its inception, and I have seen the entire process of ISBR, that is the maturity of this particular institution. We feel very proud because I personally feel that I am a kind of pillar of this institution because I am there from day one of this particular place. And if I say that this has matured so much, what I meant was we had seen initially the kind of enthusiasm among the first batch, and it was a raw kind of feeling. It's a new institute, how would we build it up? But the strategy devised by the founding fathers, the driving force and the management ensured that the system is taken to the next level. So it escalated to a zenith now.
Okay, since you've been a part of this institution from the very beginning, what do you have to say about the student-faculty?
Student-faculty relationship? Or
your relationship and them?
It's a wonderful question if you ask me, because see, this morning we had released something called as GEMS. I have not seen in any of the institute, at least of late, that something being dedicated, a particular souvenir being dedicated to a student community. Out here we have something called as GEMS, which is definitely the brainchild of our Managing Director, Mr. Manish Kothari. This souvenir is a compilation, or rather a collection of students who have attributes of leadership qualities in them, and who have contributed above and beyond their academics, like the extra add or the value add to the institute. So what we do is, we basically try to collect all their information, compile it in very poetical verse, and create this particular gems and release on the convocation, the grand D-Day. So when I've seen this kind of literature being promoted for the student community, I have personally felt that this could happen only because the student and faculty share a very, very healthy relationship. This is one part of the story. In terms of the academics, you see that we mentor them, we coach them, apart from just simply delivering the academic stuff. So we feel very proud that when they enter into the campuses, they are raw people who have just graduated, and then we start molding them to an extent wherein they become industry ready, or what we call as a job fitment. So we feel very proud to be a part of this particular strong field.
Being a part of the inner circle of this institution, what do you have to say about the service that ISBR has given to the society?
Yes, excellent. It's a very good question. So above and beyond the academic part, what we have nurtured, we find that we have certain activities like CSR, corporate social responsibility, wherein the institute have ensured that they donate a lot of books to Parikrama Trust, and we as a faculty team have CSR activities like Say No to Plastics. We had a campaign of late, which said Say No to Plastic, which was meant purely for creating awareness among the society. Simultaneously, we had a visit for the National Association of Blind, and then we have, one of the agenda which rolls on, wherein we do a cause of philanthropy, wherein we meet meet off orphanage. We go to orphanages, we meet often students, and our students go there and entertain them with the program. All these kind of activities are also promulgated.
The tagline of this institution is real world, real learning. What do you have to say about that?
That's a beautiful question. Real world and real learning. Yes, it's a small world, but then the world is encapsulated in terms of learning, and it is rightly put across: learn, relearn and unlearn. So it's real world and real learning. That's how I believe.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.